If you're a trader, you should be on Twitter. Twitter is more than just a social platform. It's a hub of amazing traders who are willing to share their insights, analysis, and ideas with the world. If you're looking to improve your trading skills, I would highly recommend following these 12 world-class trading accounts on Twitter to help you achieve profitability. I'm Unbiased Trading, and let's get into this. First, we have the Shortbread. The Shortbread has produced a varying amount of content. He used to focus on trading small caps with the Mad As team, and you can actually go back and explore all his older content. He has some incredible gems from around 2019, 2020. Nowadays, he tends to trade more in the realm of large caps, but that doesn't mean his analysis and breakdowns have suffered. In fact, they are still top-notch. He even shares his research and reasonings behind all his trades, all for free on his Twitter page. So without a doubt, I would highly recommend following him and checking out his Twitter. You could even go back as far as 200 tweets and discover a wealth of valuable gems that can truly enhance your trading skills. Next, we have SMB Capital. SMB Capital is a prop firm that offers a wealth of educational content on Twitter. Their tweets cover everything from technical analysis to risk management, but it would take me a bit too long to cover everything they do. But mainly they focus on large caps and large cap options, but sometimes they do talk about small caps as well. They're actually a very good prop firm, so if you are in the US and you can apply, I would highly recommend it. Apart from that, they produce amazing content on YouTube, Twitter, and even have a couple workshops and educational content that are quite good. Trader Dante. Dante is an amazing trader and has just about over a decade of experience. You can also watch his old Chat with Traders podcast episodes where he provides a wealth of knowledge for free. From time to time, he also engages in some lighthearted banter on Twitter, but you can find amazing threads that he has compiled on how to progress as a trader, many other topics ranging from finding edge, psychology, and the general struggles of trading. So I would highly recommend that you follow him. Additionally, he's just a great guy all around. Next, we have Brian Lee. Brian Lee used to be an esports player, but now he's a highly successful millionaire trader. He shares incredible content online, which can be found on his YouTube channel, Medium blog, and his Discord group. He possesses a wealth of knowledge when it comes to tackling and resolving various trading problems. It's difficult to categorize him into a single group, as he has helped me greatly along with many others. And he is widely regarded as the man who promoted using R and many other staples of trading. Next is Justin Flynn. Justin Flynn is a killer trader who posts most of his executions on Twitter. You can learn a lot from him. He also has an amazing room with some very good content, but overall his Twitter is amazing for generating trade ideas. He also produces general comments about trading and on various topics. However, the main value in following him is that he posts his executions almost every day, which is a very useful technique to learn from. Next, we have Lance. Lance is actually quite new to the scene. He recently started posting on Twitter after his Chat with Traders debut. He posts some of the best content and is also partnered with SMB Capital. To be honest, he is one of the top followers on this list as he consistently posts very detailed content on Twitter. His YouTube channel is also great and very inspiring and useful for many traders. Next, we got Investors Live. Investors Live has been a prominent figure in the trading community for a significant period of time. He consistently shares valuable trading content, whether it is through his execution strategies, offering his perspective on common trading difficulties, or providing solutions to overcome them. Additionally, he is known for his exceptional room and is highly respected by many traders as a leading figure for Landfall. I also believe that Investor Live collaborates with Traders for a Cause. If you ever have the opportunity, I highly recommend attending Traders for a Cause, as it is an enjoyable experience and provides excellent networking opportunities with fellow traders. Next, we have Traderco. He produces amazing content. He also does a free live stream on YouTube where he goes through his plan for the day. He also posts great content on Twitter regarding his overall trading style, including topics such as J-lines and other various trading techniques. I would definitely recommend following him if you get a chance. His trading room is quite good and produces valuable content. Chat with Traders is a must follow. The reason is that you must keep up to date with their new podcast releases. I would also recommend going through the podcast catalog. They have some amazing podcasts with incredible traders where you can learn a lot for free. So please make sure to listen to as many as possible of their episodes. I've personally found a lot of value in them and I still find value in them today. Therefore, I highly recommend following them and checking out their YouTube channel as well. Merritt Black is another amazing trader. He mainly trades futures and he used to be the head futures trader at SMB Capital. However, he now runs his own prop shop. I would recommend checking out his Twitter page as he normally posts daily watch lists of the general markets he trades. He also posts some really good trading content on his YouTube channel. Sometimes he posts some threads on Twitter as well with some very insightful comments and general things about trading. So definitely give this person a follow if you're interested in futures content. Realistically, even if you're not a futures trader, he produces some very good wisdom that applies to many trading markets. Now, if you're into small cap trading like me, Trade the Matrix is a must follow. His blog is a must read if you're looking for some amazing free content that you can learn from. He offers a lot of detailed blog posts about different setups or events in trading, which are extremely useful. The amount of attention, focus, and detail he puts into his blogs is truly amazing, especially considering that it's all available for free. I highly recommend checking him out and reading his blog. This guy is essentially the GOAT for traders on Twitter. He doesn't post as much content anymore, but some of his old content is truly amazing, especially when it comes to small caps. Many people on the list have actually taken things from him or learned from him, and they've acknowledged him for providing that amazing content. If you want to browse through his old Twitter content, you can find some of the best gems, particularly for small caps. Now, these are just a few of the amazing trading accounts on Twitter. I encourage you to explore and find the ones that resonate with you the most. I spent countless hours on Twitter over the past 3 years, and it has been worth it because I have found these amazing traders who have helped me improve my trading skills. I hope you'll find them as valuable as I have. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please like it and share it with anyone else who might be interested.